They're trying. And there she goes again. Okay, new high. That's a good sign. Nice job, Kyler. Yeah, a lot of you played it again. I know that. That's fantastic. I talked about all the things I talked about so that you as an individual can make your own decision. That's what this is about. It's about feeling comfortable with the decision you make, which gets you in a trade you're comfortable with, which keeps you in a trade rather than being uncomfortable and looking for a reason to get out of the trade that promotes bad decisions. So when I talked about all these things on these different charts, those of you that were looking at it and listening and saying, all right, I see what's going on, and I'm understanding where I can take my risk. And that's the thing. Now it's turning into a Whopper Junior for those that were buying in the zone and stayed with it. How do you like that? Now, the target is still up here. It just could take some time. Nothing's changed. And there's nothing here except the gap. Are they going to get halfway home and fail? Anything's possible, but that's just at face value what's going on. There's nothing here except the gap. How long it takes to get there, we don't know. Will they get there? Normally, they're going to get there at some point. If they get below 435.07 again, that comment is off the table. And stay there, not just another test, but they start getting below again. Now you're back to the bearish thing. Come back down to test the same area. No change. Doesn't mean it's bad. It just means if they get below and stay below, then it gets bad, meaning they're back to the bearish pattern thing. Maybe they're not done yet. That's all that means. This is why you take profit along the way. When they give you those runs, you take some off the table. Just take the market at face value at the time. That's the point I'm trying to convey. If they get below 435.07, something different is going on than what's going on now. If they get below 434, something different is going on than staying above 434.25. 434.25 would still be a bounce place if they came back down there. Has nothing to do with feels like, jittery, all that stuff. Nothing. It's a limiting belief, and I want you to get out of that mindset. Rewire the brain. This is what we try and do here, little by little. Doesn't happen overnight. I understand emotions. I understand everything. And intraday on a short-term chart, they're just that, short-term. They're just guidelines short-term. Alice, we're long the spiders right now. You don't want to short the market. When you short the market into a holiday weekend, this is what we are. This is light volume into a holiday weekend already. If you're thinking about shorting the Qs here, Alos, you're looking for a trade, no matter what it is. That's a symptom or sign of over trading. I'm helping you. I'm not hurting you. I'm just trying to make you have an awareness. If I'm right, if I'm wrong, so be it. Just think about it correctly. You want to take the stuff that makes the most sense. Right now, we're in a long trade, or a lot of traders are in a long trade, riding the spiders up to that gap one way or the other. As long as they stay above 435.07, I don't really care where the Qs go from here. I can't tell you they're going to pull back from 364.90 while the spiders are going up, and I'm looking for the spiders to go up. So that's why I have to respond that way. Kyler says, Powell says he does not target specific parts of the market. Right. All these people lie every day. It's just remarkable. Of course they do. They don't target the bond market. They don't target the equity market. They don't target the financial sector, some way, shape, or form. Of course they do. When they pump money into the market one way or the other, they're targeting the equity markets. All right, let's focus on there. That's why you don't short the Qs up there. The target is the target still. They're basically there. You got to take it off the table. Something as they get close. So how many traders were on the ride up there? Lee, Matthew, Dirk, David. Never mind, the names fly by too fast. Thank you. I appreciate you having the confidence in what I was telling you and looking at. Armand, have a nice swim day, beach day, surf day, whatever it is. Yeah, this is just fantastic. We got a whole litany of traders. I can't even read them fast enough. Yeah. Walk you through it, talk you through it, tell you what I see, show you the reasons why. Here you go. Well, that's my exit. I still have some left, just in case. Is there any reason they can't make a new high today? I don't know that they will, but is there any reason they can't? If you can come up with one, let me know. You're welcome.